Hello all. This tutorial will help you to understand a site plan and site plan information. According to the Department of Building and Development Land Development, a site plan is an architectural plan of proposed improvements to a given lot. A site plan usually shows a building footprint, travel ways, parking, landscaping, and garden elements. Chesterfield County defines a site plan as a set of construction drawings that a building or contractor uses to make improvements to the property. Counties can use the site plan to verify that development codes are being met and as a historical resource. Site plans are often prepared by a design consultant who must be either a licensed engineer, architect, landscape architect, or land surveyor. A site plan is a top view of a property that is drawn to scale. A site plan can show property lines, outline of existing and proposed building and structures, parking lots, indicating parking spaces, driveways, surrounding streets, landscaping areas, terrains. I hope this tutorial clarifies what is a site plan. Thank you.